In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix missing like and share accounts on Threads social media app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, as you can see here, I have this option disabled on my Threads account, which means I can see the likes count as well as the share count on all the posts that both my followers and my non-followers publish. This is because the hide likes and share count has been enabled. To fix this, we need to disable this feature for us to see the likes and share counts on posts. To fix this, go to your profile and tap on the profile icon here, and then go to these two lines, and under this, go to content preferences. Here you can see we have this option, hide likes and share counts. If I tap on it, you can see this option has been enabled. That's why I'm unable to see likes and share counts on all the posts that are made on Threads. Now what we need to do is to disable this feature. And now if I go back to my account and see the posts, so let's go back and go to home here and then refresh the page. Look at that. I can now see likes and share counts for all posts published on Threads. So that's how you can fix can't see likes and share counts on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.